Welcome back to Ryan Friedman Motor Cars. We're back at the prep center now. Got some new inventory. I haven't been here in about a month or so. I came over because we definitely bought some cool different stuff to add to our inventory list. This is freaking insane. Grabber Blue Supersnake. I've been on a Mustang kick. I have no idea why. Louis hates them. I don't know what Louis's doing. He's probably taking a nap. Dude, this thing is wild. So yeah, a bunch of Mustangs we're buying now.
Ryan is, not Louis.
Ryan is. I'm into the Stangs right now. For some reason, I don't know. I just think they're really cool, muscular looking cars. I had a 08 Shelby GT500 years ago. I always loved, and then I always wanted to get a Supersnake, so that's what this is. I haven't even seen this one yet. I literally bought one, and then before we even took delivery of one, I bought 4 others. I don't know why that happens sometimes. Dude, this thing is insane. So back in the day, they came out with this model, which was like the first gen Shelby GT500 to make it back, right, Louis? You could correct me if I'm wrong, because Louis knows all the stats. But he doesn't like Mustangs, so he's gonna be a little salty in this video. Just like it's outside on the road. You got salt all over you. So this thing, they then shipped back to, where'd they send it to? Where did they do the Supersnake package?
I don't know.
You don't even know?
I don't know.
Okay, whatever. They sent it somewhere else to put. It was like a $27,000 package, adding more horsepower, more aesthetics, cosmetics, such as the wheels, side flares, the matte stripes, the different hood. Dude, this car, I think it produces 725 horsepower, as well as having extra gauges for, I believe, the boost. Dude, this thing is insane. Oh my God. Ooh, you hear that? Ooh. Look at Louis, show Louis. He's just nothing. Dude, this thing is so sick. I don't know what it is. Did we get any more Stangs here? Let's go check it out. So we got this America Roadster. Awesome car. We love the America Roadsters. Very few of them, only 250 produced. We love putting RH Speedline wheels on them. This is gonna get a set as well. Let's check out also the rest of the inventory that came in. What is this, 8,000 miles? 8,000 miles, 997.2 aero kit, 4 GTS, very, very rare car. They only made the 4 for the last year, which was the 12. Having an aero kit, low miles with all the options, like sports seats and center lock wheels. Yes, not even 8,000 miles yet. And this car sold before it even hit the site. Let's see what else we got, Louis. Come on, show them around, Louis. What do we got?
G-Wagon.
Louis took the G-Wagon for a few days. He begged and begged. I said, sure, no problem. Take the G-Wagon. All of a sudden, it has 1,000 more miles on it. I don't know where the heck he went, but he just likes to drive and drive.
I like to drive.
New 360 in, of course, gated, 25,000 miles, so we got a driver spec here. Obviously, your classic red over tan on the Ferrari. This is gonna fly, I just know it. We also did just buy another red on tan 430 Spider manual. That's not here though. This is new, I don't even see it, but it's sold. Ice green metallic, really, really cool, still available.
The pastel
I don't know what to think about these chrome rims. What do you think?
I love them.
I could see my reflection in it.
Dope.
Look at this.
Chrome rims are illegal now, so if anything that you get factory chrome is pretty dope.
That is actually true. It does look weird. I don't even know if in this era or like this time, like 08, 07.
That's when they're like kind of sort of ending.
Ending, right?
Yes.
Like when did like Spreewell have this, like the 23s or whatever?
Well, that was during college. I graduated college 07, so it was between 03 and 07.
And this was like the end of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I
But
think
these are
we're way over. So now it's like coming back as a trend. It could.
On black, it looks fresh. Too.
Here we go.
Do you show them pastel?
Now we go. What pastel? Where's
Right there,
pastel?
the 993 Turbo.
Ooh.
With the tariff.
This thing is insane. So, Louis, you said this is not paint to sample. It was offered as a standard color on a 97.
But rare in itself.
I haven't seen one. Have you ever seen one?
No, it's the only one I know of.
This is pastel on terracotta with sport seats.
Yeah, low
crap. Dude, this thing is insane. Only 14,000 miles. I haven't seen this yet. We need to detail this bad boy. Get some new tires on it, do a fresh service, the rims, a whole rejuvenation process that we go through on all these cars. If they're just glaring at me all the things that they need. Everyone thinks that their car is perfect when it comes in. It is not, I assure you of that. And we make it as close to perfect as possible, even down to like the calipers, having some delaminating on there. There's definitely a lot of work. Every car needs a lot of work. But when we get to these newer stuff like these Mustangs, which apparently Louis told me, this is the generation that he likes. So maybe we'll get a smile out of him and he'll talk about it. So why do you like the 13s and above versus
13,
the
14,
earlier models?
13, 14, 5.8 liter supercharged. Had the Tremec, which is like the German transmission that doesn't blow up, so it's reliable. And only made this motor for 2 years. It's got 662 horse from the factory.
But I'm still blowing your doors off in my '07 Shelby GT500 Supersnake.
No.
Yeah.
Because the suspension setup in these are a lot better
So
than those older ones. So you'll just be hopping around, or maybe taking a crowd out. Maybe you'll take a crowd of people out.
That's like the Mustang thing to do.
Yeah, the crowd killer. So
Right.
maybe like you'll hook in like 4th gear possibly.
This is cool, but like
And this is factory too. And these
glass
have
roof?
Yeah, the glass roof.
too fancy for me. Nice car. I love the color. This is like probably the
Grabber
most
blue.
desirable color
Yes.
for what it is. And how many miles does this car have?
Like love, like 2,000, but they're, you know, it's not.
Yeah,
the battery's
2,000
off.
miles. I mean, this car looks really, really cool. So right now we have what? We have a 13 Grabber
5,
Blue.
4.
We have the low 300-mile '07 Shelby GT500 in blue. We have the black '07 Supersnake Shelby GT500 in black. Then we have, what else? The 22 Supersnake. And then we have something really special coming, a 67 GT500 that is not yet completed. But as you can
That is
see,
dope.
we're going Stang crazy. Louis would like me to go more into Vipers, maybe we will, but we just somehow got this groove going with these Mustangs, and I think they're pretty cool. It's pretty packed in here. You know, I see, if you look around, you see great colors, pastel yellow, ruby neo, python green, Laguna. I'm sure that's called, what is that called? This color on the Plymouth.
I don't know, but it's cool.
So we need some muscle car help. So someone just tell us what it could be.
Educate
What is
us.
the green called on this Ferrari? Do you know?
No,
It looks like a
okay.
forest green metallic, but it's someone also let us know what they think this is. We don't know.
It's on
Sepia
the-
is still here. Awesome car. But yeah, we are Stang crazy at the moment. Louis hates it. So I'm just gonna continue buying Stangs to piss him off. If you got a cool Stang, I think we're gonna start going down the saline Roush. Is that how you pronounce it? Roush?
I like to say
We're beginners at this. It's okay. We'll get
It's
there.
weird
though.
because I like the, what's that body, like the one, I don't know what year it is, but it's like the Terminator Cobra, like that was like 03,
Look into
04.
it. Look into it.
Those are cool.
Let's start buying them. Let's start buying them. If you could take any car out of here today and you were going out, hold on. Let me set this. Hamptons, nice out, weather, windows down. You could take your wife. The kids are at home. You got a nanny. You got $5,000 cash in your pocket.
Where am I going, to Vegas?
Where are you going? What car are you taking? I'm sorry that I gave you so many choices, Louis.
Yeah, there's a lot of choices.
He's so confused right now. He doesn't know.
You know what I would do? Actually, I would do something
You love
different.
the Ruby GT3, right?
I do love that, but I've been there, done that. So I would take we walked
The
right by
Civic?
it.
Would you take the Civic?
No, I'd take the Aston Martin. I'd do something
Okay,
different.
all right. A
Something
wise
different.
decision. Louis.
Comfortable GT car.
Okay, that is a
5K
great car.
cash.
So that is the carbon black edition, right?
Yeah.
And it's a manual. They didn't make a lot of them. So I think it's an '09 DBS coupe, stick shift, black,
Why don't we show it to
5,000
them?
miles. Unbelievable car.
Show it to
Louis,
them.
go show them that car. Take a look
I
at it.
mean, all right, I'd take this.
If you put like I think I had a Quicksilver exhaust on one of them at one point.
Oh, you have to.
It opens it up.
Yeah, you have
This
to.
thing is a monster. V12, 6.0 liter, right?
Yeah,
How much
this-
horsepower do you think it has?
Like 5 and change.
It's fast. So this is like your classy gentleman sports car. And honestly, it looks like it should be like a $300,000-$400,000 car. Or it looks like it's a very expensive car. But surprisingly, we have it listed at $199. Make an offer, we'll take a little bit less.
That's a hell of a deal.
That's a hell of a deal. I would say that really is great compared to spending $100-something thousand on a Mustang.
Sorry, I don't want Mustang people coming and knocking on my door, but that you had to be crazy to spend 140 grand on a Mustang.
Listen, I agree, but at the same time, it's an awesome car, that Stang. And this car, I think, new was like 260 or maybe 3 something,
Yeah.
maybe?
I don't know. We'll
I
say
think
3.
it was 3.
It's a
What was it?
12-cylinder Aston.
Whatever it was a lot of money, and now you're getting this car at a great price, and it's basically brand new. V12 front engine, manual, 6-speed.
Ultimate GT car.
But this kind of reminds me more of a Mustang than a Porsche, right? Would you say?
Are you saying that because like Ford owned Aston Martin and like you're so hooked on like Ford
No.
products that you see Ford buttons inside the Aston Martin?
Yeah, but this is the car you like, so now you're trying to use it against yourself. You can't
No,
do
I'm
that.
not using it against myself. I'm just saying like we're trying to make it, a V12, and you're it's a V12.
Yeah, but this is very cool. So like the thing with this to me is like we can go out and buy a 997, we can go out and buy a manual Ferrari, we can go out and buy any Mustang. right? Because there's millions of them for sale.
Yeah.
But you cannot find this. You're not gonna find this every day, and I don't understand why this doesn't fly off the shelf. With all the collectors out there, for the price point of where it is, it's really an awesome car. All right, let's go back and check out the Mustangs one more time. If this car didn't have 27 miles, I'd be taking this home right now. Dude, this thing is insane. Look at this hood. Oh my God.
Ryan's trying to take my fingers out.
Woohoo! Oh God, this is freaking cool.
I mean, it needs to get shined up.
Wow, 850 horsepower in this car. You can't, dude, we gotta keep this thing. How could you not like this?
It's cool.
It's cool, that's it?
Yeah.
Dude, this is America. America.
There's a lot of American products.
America.
Vipers, Vets.
Dude, look at this thing. And so there's only, I think, less than 100 of each year that were made. I think they made a few 23s in a manual. This is a 22. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. We're gonna give you a couple revs. I promise you we're not gonna fully turn into a Stang group and only sell these now. We're still doing, never will happen. We'll still do our Porsches and Ferraris and other sports cars, but we're true.
Just say
we're true car enthusiasts.
True car enthusiasts, but Ryan's currently drunk on Mustangs.
I'm drunk on Mustangs. What can I tell you? Look at this freaking car. You can't tell me that this is not awesome. Comment. How many of you have seen something like this out there in the public? I mean, if we pull up and have this Supersnake, the 08 Supersnake, I mean, it's just a really cool freaking lineup. So you're always gonna get different stuff. Today's your daily dose of Mustangs at Ryan Fried Motor Cars. Tune in, subscribe, and let us know what you think of our new cars that we love. Have a good one. Take care. Louis, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Louis. Be polite.
C'est la vie.
Be polite, okay?
See you later.